Hey everyone, Extreme here. How's it going with all of you? Alright, so as all of you know has been following me, I do invest in cryptocurrency pretty big. But yes, I've started diversifying into stocks. So I'll do a daily update live on the stocks I'm in and if I'm buying extra or selling. Give me your advice at the bottom. Tell me what you think. Give me your recommendations. I'm new to this industry and I'm looking at anything. We never know which one might be the next option. So I don't have many stocks as of yet, but let's see with the ones we have, what is profitable so far. So the first stock I went out and bought was Tesla. Now, looking at this, there's no real news besides the fact that Tesla opened down today, 1.49%. But if we go to the chart, you'll see the green line is where I bought Tesla. So far, not too bad. My Tesla shares is about 3.13% in a profit, and I can't really complain about that. My main goal with the stocks and share trading is to have an entry point lower than the current price. Looking at Tesla, I won't be buying or adding today since it's currently in the profit. The second stock I bought was Apple. Well, Apple is up at 1.52% today. Not too bad. Let's see, any news 36 minutes ago. Epic Games feeds Apple. Tech giant to defend Apple Store in high stakes game of poker. Pretty interesting. Something's happening in the Apple market. Will it affect the price? I doubt it. I'm still new to it, but I don't see it affecting it. So overall, at least my Apple shares, it's currently well up. I did buy Apple quite a while ago already due to some advice from some people. As you can see, the green line is my entry. So I got a really good entry. So I can't complain about Apple. I bought them a long time ago just for the fun of it. And currently, I'm up 12%. Well, that's Apple for me. Can't complain. I might just add a bag of Apple because I didn't buy too much back then. And the possibility in this tech company, well, I reckon they can go a long way with products they have and still can come out. The third one I just bought is ttch. This company, which is a food industry. News is ttch entered into agreements to acquire New Mexico food distributors. Now I've looked at them and I'm looking at different options, and this one really seems good with a lot of potential. Now I am following people trying to learn because I'm new to this game. And according to the people I'm following, they reckon ttch can see $100 share value. They didn't give an estimated time of when we can see that value, but I bought it and I'm in for the long run, willing to hold on to it. If we go into the market with ttch, you'll see my entry is at 17.54. Not too bad, pretty decent profit on this current stage. So far looking at all the markets, I won't be adding anything yet today. All of them is in the green, and I only want to add when they're not in the green and in the red. Planeteer is another company which I reckon could do good over the long run. News, Planeteer announces hiring of first USG Chief Medical Officer. Let's see. Planeteer Technologies to today announced the hiring of Dr. William J. Kessler, MD, MPH, as its first U.S. government chief medical officer, bringing years of clinical and public health expertise to Planeteer as it continues its expansion in the private and public health sectors. Dr. Kessler is joining Planeteer from IBM Watson Health and worked throughout his career at the intersection of clinical care and population health. He will lead the public health and life science team across Planeteer, USG, and international business. Over the past few years, Planeteer has grown its healthcare business and in recent months made significant new senior hires with deep domain expertise in life science, pharmaceuticals, and public health. Dr. Kessler and the expanded team will continue to build on Planeteer's success in public and commercial healthcare around the globe, putting its technology to work to solve the world's most important health problems. Planeteer has played a key role in mitigating the global pandemic, supporting more than 100 organizations in their response to the pandemic, and helping the US and the UK with vaccine distributions, said 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙑, Planeteer COO. Planeteer software has also been used in drug discovery, biotech technology, scientific research, and to mitigate disparities in public health. Dr. Kessler will play a key role in ensuring our healthcare work continues to prosper. Planeteer's ability to lead so many international public health initiatives from the start of the pandemic was truly impressive and serves as a model for the type of technology investments governments around the world need to make, said Kessler. I'm inspired by Planeteer's mission and team and excited to get to work. Pretty interesting. Will they change the world? Well, we'll never know. But yes, I do have a bag of Planeteer technologies. It's down today, but overall, let's see where I bought them. Overall, I'm down as well from where I bought Planeteer. Let me see. And I do like to average out. It's a little bit down. So yes, I'll be adding some Planeteer to my bag right as we speak. Just get in here. Adding some Planeteer. Every time I log on and one of them is going to be down, I'll probably be adding some to get... Ek gaan bly, sussie, ek is besig die deure toe. So I'll be adding some Planeteer without a doubt right now to my portfolio, since my average is down. So I'll bring it a little bit off. Let's see how much. If we look at the all-time, started around $8. Not too bad. It's pretty new, so it's a decent opportunity to add some. So let's see, Planeteer. I want to add I want to add a bag of Planeteer to my portfolio. Let's see. Let's see. Just add that. There we go. Right, order is in. Alright, I've added a bag of Planeteer while the price is down, bringing my average down as well to my new average is 22.75. So that brought my Planeteer down. I got a bunch more, so we all set on them. Now the last one I'm currently invested in is Coinbase. Coinbase is the crypto exchange which got onto the stock exchange not too long ago. But let's see what's the latest news on them. Is Coinbase stock a buy right now as Bitcoin surge and Ethereum hits record highs? So what are they saying? Continue reading. So where is the article? Is Coinbase stock a buy right now as Bitcoin surge and Ether hits record highs? As the popularity of cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum, surges, Coinbase Global Coin is at the forefront of the cryptocurrency industry. After the company hyped IPO, is Coinbase stock a buy or a sell in the current stock market rally? Coinbase stock IPO. The crypto giant launched its direct listing on the Nasdaq on April 14, pricing at $250 a share. Coinbase stock shot up nearly 2% to $429.54 before closing its first day of trading at $328.28, up 31.3 for a valuation of $87.3 billion. Analysts expect the Coinbase IPO to give the cryptocurrency market increased validation. The Coinbase IPO potential a watershed event for the crypto industry and will be something the street will be laser focused on to gauge investor appetite. Webbush analyst Dan Ives wrote in a note to clients, Coinbase is a fund the piece of crypto ecosystem and is a barometer for the growing mainstream adoption of Bitcoin and crypto for the coming years. So Coinbase, yes, they're pretty new, well, brand new, and they're the forefront of cryptocurrencies in the stock market. I did buy some Coinbase when it came out. I didn't jump in immediately. I waited for the price to drop, and I got the entry point of 296.02. So currently, my Coinbase is in profit as well. All over the board, the 4 stocks I so far have, and will be expanding to more and more weekly, 4 out of 5 is in a profit. Please leave me your comments below. Tell me which stocks to look at and which ones you think is a good investment. I'm only starting with stocks. Yes, I do have a massive crypto career behind me already, and I'm expanding. So give me your advice. Tell me what to look for. Have a great one. I'll be back tomorrow the same time to update my stocks again, see what's the news in them, and is there potential buys. Have a great one.